Where we going?
About to race this fool. This fool's man. This is so cool.
This guy right here behind you.
What? This is so cool. We'll see about that.
With his bright lights.
My fake ass shiny lights.
Where is he? Yeah!
Look at that!
How fast you going?
Look how fast I'm going!
Damn!
That's 60 times 5! 60 times 5!
Damn, for real?
That's how VTOC works!
Yeah!
Look at him, look at him!
Where? Not even!
Oh shit!
Not even!
Alright, oh, he's trying to cut me off right now.
Yeah? What are you doing?
What are you doing? How you want to race?
Oh, he chickened out.
Chickened out?
Chickened out, man.
Chicken out, man. I knew it.
Damn, no one's gonna mess with your car.
Here it goes. Here it goes.
Where? Right here. Oh shit, who's that?
Oh shit.
That Civic?
Oh my god.
What the fuck?
I gotta kick in the VTOC. Oh.